Hello, Simon Tech Buzz, and we got a nice product in, and it's Whoop 4.0. So we've got the band and the kit itself, but we're going to give you a quick look at the website first before I go on and unbox this. As you know, I wear all kinds of wearables all year round. This doesn't have a screen, which is good. There's good deals there now, and you can get a free month, which is cool. You can join there. Track metrics that matter. So this is a different way of gathering your information. It's going to take time, so it'll be a month or two before we be back with a full review, which is just the first look if you've not seen it or thinking about joining up and getting it, which you should do, because I've been chasing this for a while. So you get your sleep performance, maximal sleep consistency. You can have all that. So you can wear this in bed as well. I'm not one to wear wearables in bed, but I'll be wearing this in bed for a change. And it doesn't track, it doesn't just track, it translates as well. So you get recommendations how to tailor your lifestyle habits, training programs, and more to unlock your potential, and what makes it different and better. So you've got no screens, no distraction, just science. You can wear it 24/7, and a minimalistic screen-free design, which is good, so you don't have to keep looking at it, which is cool. And you can try it free for a month there, and you're up your way. So you've got all these bands here and all that kind of stuff. There's different colours, as you can see. I don't know what colour mine is yet, I haven't opened it. Moss mine is. So you have a full range of colours there. You can just flick through them, see what suits you. So it's nice to see there's a selection of bands to pick out from, and what to expect when you join. So you've got all this stuff too. You've got world-class wearable tech, a personalised app, and cutting-edge science. So you've all that built in as well. And you can choose a plan then before you go. You get your free month's trial. So up to you what you want to do from there. Join the community, which is great. And you can share there and see others there. Comment on social, connect on social, share with healthcare providers, and join Whoop's teams. That's basically a rundown of what's on the website. So let's get it out and check it out. So I suppose let's open the band first and see. So it's got this nice strip up top. Maybe I should have pulled it from this side. And out you get, like so. And you can see in here how to set it up. And it's got a nice packaging and presentation with Whoop written on it there, and this is the moss colour. I do like fancy straps on my tech, especially watches, like about 15 different watches, and I swap them around. So this is a nice colour. I'll be looking at the rest there and we pick another one or two, but that's the band there. It's nice and sturdy. Metal buckles either end, so it's not cheap plastic. And let's have a look at this guy. This is where all the tech happens. And super knit. Nice pleasurable unboxing and opening. Same again. So I've got this strap in here, which is cool. So you lift that to open. Lift, there we go. And that's it there. So remove before use. We'll take this off as well. And that's basically, there's your technology in there. Whoop 4.0. So that's ready to go, put on. So I might just try go with this for a while and swap bands out later. We'll see how we go on. And in here we have got this charge before use. So this is a charger as well. And you've got your cable. And it's short enough, USB-C, USB-A, and that's basically it there. That's what you're going to get in the box. So just to give you an idea, to get familiar if you've not yet picked one up or is thinking about picking one up. And that's basically what the package we have here today consists of, which is pretty neat. So yes, yeah, it's going to take some while to get some data and metrics up and stored and saved and all that kind of stuff. And we'll see how we get on. I'm a minimalist in the fitness kind of aspect, I suppose, but I do keep track of stuff with any watch I'm wearing or wearable I have there. And it's going to be interesting to see how this can compare to the rest with their science behind their technology and so on. And that's it. So yeah, any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and we'll see you in about a month or two when we get this up and running have a look at the app and show how it works and all that kind of stuff, as we normally do with stuff like this. And we'll speak to you then. And again, drop comments below if you need any questions answered, and we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.